If you want to remove more than one column, then you can use DataFrame object name dot drop and the list of column which you want to remove from your data frame. The formal syntax is df.drop and the column name 1, comma, column name 2, and so on, with axis equals to 1, where axis 1 indicates a column. By default axis is 0, which indicates a row. So let's drop here a column IP and physics. These two columns I want to drop from my data frame. As you can see, it do not affect the original data frame. You can assign the result in another data frame. So your column will be dropped now. Let's do some changes here. Here I want to drop a column IP with axis equals to 1. And if you use in place equals to true, so it will remove your column. Originally the deleted columns are there in data frame till you want apply in place equals to true. Let's do some changes in syntax or commands to drop a column by index. For this we have to use syntax df.drop df.columns index and the axis equals to 1. df equal to df.drop df.columns 2 axis equals to 1. So it will drop a column at index 2 and axis 1 for columns. So you can see here your column at index 2 will be dropped now, but it will not affect the original df, so you have to assign it into another variable. And if you use in place equals to true, it will permanently delete a column. That's all. So try these programs. Thank you.